Alright, time to code with my new mechanical keyboard that I got from TEMU. Hello? Why isn't this working? God damn it. You know what? Fuck this. Wait, it's still on. What the fuck? I thought it was gonna die the second I poured water on it, but it's still working apparently. Let me try something. Nope, the keyboard stopped responding. Whatever. Now the question is, will it still work? Oh my god, it does. Although as you can see, some of the LEDs are dead. These ones don't work. I mean, it still turns on, so... Oh, finally. Okay, I'm done. Look at all this mess. There's water everywhere. Wait, there might be a chance that this still works. If you see, there's this ribbon cable that's detached and it goes right in here, so I think this keyboard might still work. I don't want to test though. Oof. This knife sucks. Okay, you know what? Just one more time.